Infrared radiation. You must be aware of this term. You might know something about infrared radiation, but we are quite sure that you must not aware of all the facts and discovery of this useful radiation which has become part of our life, which is used by almost everyone throughout the world, but still many are unaware of many facts and figures about infrared radiation. So welcome back my dear YouTube loving friends. Today we are going to explain everything about infrared radiation. So let's get started and let's learn together. Infrared radiation is a type of electromagnetic radiation, as are radio waves, ultraviolet radiation, X-rays and microwaves. Infrared, in short IR light, is a part of the electromagnetic spectrum that people encounter most in everyday life, although much of it goes unnoticed. It is invisible to human eyes, but people can feel it as heat. IR radiation is one of the three ways heat is transferred from one place to another, the other two being convection and conduction. Everything with a temperature above 5 degrees Kelvin, that is minus 450 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 268 degrees Celsius, emits IR radiation. The sun gives off heat of its total energy as IR, and much of its visible light is absorbed and re-emitted as IR, according to University of Tennessee. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, incandescent bulbs convert only 10% of their electrical energy input into visible light energy, while other 90% is converted to infrared radiation.
Oh my god!
Household appliances such as heat lamps and toasters use IR radiation to transmit heat, as do industrial heaters such as those used for drying and cutting materials. These appliances generally emit black body radiation, with a peak energy output below the wavelength of visible, though some energy is emitted as visible red light. A TV remote control uses IR waves to change channels. In the remote, an IR light emitting diode LED or laser sends out binary code signals as rapid on or off pulses. A detector in the TV converts these light pulses to electrical signals that instructs a microprocessor to change the channel, adjust the volume or perform other actions. It's true that IR is not visible with our naked eyes, but still, if you are curious to see IR, then turn on camera of your mobile and see IR through camera lens, because camera lens can capture IR and it's only way for you at your home to see IR if you really want to. IR lasers can be used for point-to-point communications over distances of a few hundred meters or yards. If we look in our past, a British astronomer, William Herschel, discovered infrared light in 1800 AC. In an experiment to measure the difference in temperature between the colors in the visible spectrum, he placed thermometers in path of light within each color of the visible spectrum. He observed an increase in temperature from blue to red, including an even warmer temperature measurement just beyond the red end of the visible spectrum. That's infrared. Now let's explain infrared in short, so that you can have a basic knowledge about infrared radiation when anyone asks you.
I know everything.
Electromagnetic radiation is transmitted in waves or particles at different wavelengths and frequencies. This broad range of wavelengths is known as electromagnetic spectrum. The spectrum is generally divided into 7 regions in order to decreasing wavelength and increasing energy and frequency. The common designations are radio waves, microwaves, infrared or IR, visible light, ultraviolet or UV, X-ray and gamma rays. Infrared waves are longer than those of visible light, just beyond the red end of the visible spectrum. IR falls in the range of the EM, that is, electromagnetic spectrum between microwaves and visible light. It has frequencies from about 300 GHz up to 400 THz and wavelengths of about 30 centimeters or 12 inches to 740 nanometers or 0.00003 inches, although these values are not definitive. Now let's see, where do we use infrared radiation in our daily life. One of the most common uses of infrared radiation is in heat-sensitive thermal imaging cameras. These can be used to study human and animal body heat patterns, but more often they are used as night vision cameras. These have uses in warfare, as security cameras, and in nocturnal animal research. Most remote controls operate by sending pulses of infrared spelling out codes that an electronic device will recognize. This includes TV remotes, DVD players, projectors, etc. Infrared is often used to send signals from fiber optic cables, particularly when using standard silica fibers. Fiber optic cables are commonly used to transmit audio to sound systems and for high-speed internet connections. Infrared is also widely used in astronomy. Taking pictures of the universe in infrared can lead to some amazing discoveries. Astronomers can look at an area of the sky that appears empty and dark in the visual part of the electromagnetic spectrum and find an area full of activity in the infrared. Since most objects that are hot produce infrared radiation, whereas plenty of objects do not produce visible light, it is a vital tool in observational astronomy. One issue with the infrared astronomy is that infrared tends to be absorbed by water vapor in the atmosphere. Positioning telescopes at high altitude can help reduce this issue, as can putting telescopes in balloons or planes. That's why NASA has its telescope at the highest altitude of the Earth. Also, infrared cannot travel to long distances if it's being blocked by an obstacle, because infrared cannot penetrate through walls or solid particles. That's why you might have noticed that if there's an obstacle between your TV remote and your TV sensor, it doesn't work. So by now, we hope that you have understood everything about IR. Further, if you still have any doubts or query on infrared, please let us know in the comment section down below. We hope you liked this video. If yes, please press the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because every day we make new videos just like this. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to get high in life.